In this video, I will show you how you can remove the fingerprint and the lock screen passcode on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just go to the home screen of your iPad, then tap on Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now just enter your lock screen passcode, and after you do that, you will arrive on this page. Now first of all, let's remove the fingerprint from our iPad. And for that, just scroll down, and under fingerprints, you will find all the fingerprints which you have enrolled in your iPad. You just tap on each fingerprint and select delete fingerprint like that. Now since I have registered only one fingerprint, I have one option over here. But if you have registered multiple fingerprints, just go through each of them and delete each fingerprint separately. Now after you delete all the fingerprints, now to turn off the passcode, just select turn off passcode from here. Tap on turn off, then enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then just tap on done. Then enter your current lock screen passcode. Now if you want to turn off the password and if you want to remove the iCloud keychain, just select turn off and remove passwords. But if you still want to use iCloud keychain, just select keep using iCloud keychain. And after you do that, you will turn off the fingerprint and the lock screen passcode on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.